What starts as a routine eviction hearing is about to turn into one of the most explosive courtroom meltdowns you'll ever witness. When a defendant decides to drop F-bombs during a Zoom court appearance, this judge isn't having it. We're talking threats of lockup, a forced in-person appearance, and a lesson in courtroom respect that this guy will never forget. This is the moment when disrespect meets consequences, and trust me, you won't believe how this judge handles it. Buckle up, because this case goes from 0 to 100 in seconds.
Late fee charges, costs of $226.
I got actually $90 in late fees and $292.14 in pay. And I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks, and they're going to chat with you and give you the number of the law firm to call. It's Lakewood or Lakeshore. And what is the date now? February 9th?
Fuck you! Fuck you, motherfucker!
Who said that?
I think that's Mr. Bodis, and I think you
Yes,
found the
Mr.
unmute button.
Bogus!
Hold on. Did you just hear what I heard? Someone just dropped not one, but 2 F-bombs directly at a judge during a live court hearing. This is Mr. Bodis, who apparently thought Zoom court was the same as arguing with someone at a bar. But here's the thing. This isn't a casual video call. This is a legal proceeding, and disrespecting a judge like this can land you in serious trouble. Watch what happens next, because this judge is about to deliver one of the most epic verbal takedowns in courtroom history. The judge can't even see him yet, but he's already had enough. This is the moment when keeping it real goes very, very wrong. The question isn't whether Mr. Bodis crossed the line, it's how badly he's about to regret it.
You motherfuckers gonna cut me off?
Oh,
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
I can't see you.
Who do you think you are?
I'm nobody.
Who do you think you are?
I'm nobody.
I want to know what kind of a punk would do that.
Bro, I can't see you. I was just on
You are not going to swear on
video
Zoom.
with you.
You are
was just
not
on
going to.
video
I'll
with
tell you
you.
what,
I can't
Mr.
find you.
Bodis, you're going to come up here now. You're going to come up here in person. You talk to me like that, you'll be in lockup for 30 days. You want to act like a punk? I'm going to treat you like one. You get up to the courthouse now. You got it, Mr. Bodis, Mr. Tough Guy? You must have fought Muhammad Ali and beat him, huh, back in the day? Come on up. You're coming up, Mr. Bodis. You want to talk to me like that? You're going to end up in lockup, Tough Guy. You got it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Good. He's coming up here. He doesn't come up, I'm defaulting him. I'm giving you half an hour to get here. Shut him up. Half hour to get here, Bodis. Everybody's a tough guy.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Too. Okay, I want to talk to, I'm going to do this one with you, Mr. That's Granite Televalle versus Bodis, right?
Yep.
Come on up here. Ronald Bodis, 2600001. Got Mr. Capitan, your appearance.
Yeah, John Capitan appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Ronald Allen Bodis.
Do you have anything you want to say? Okay, so let me give you a little bit of advice.
Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. The judge is about to lay down the law, literally. Notice how he's taking his time here, giving Mr. Bodis a chance to understand the gravity of what just happened. This isn't just about foul language. It's about respect for the entire judicial system. The judge makes an excellent point. When you're granted the courtesy of appearing by Zoom instead of having to physically show up to court, you don't get to treat it like you're texting your buddies or hanging out at home. You're still in a courtroom, and courtroom rules apply whether you're wearing pajama pants or a 3-piece suit. What's fascinating here is the judge's approach. He could have immediately held Mr. Bodis in contempt and thrown him in jail for 30 days. Instead, he's giving him a chance to show some accountability and understanding. But pay attention to the judge's tone. This is a test. Will Mr. Bodis pass it, or is he about to dig himself into an even deeper hole?
You can take it or leave. When I extend the courtesy of allowing somebody to appear by Zoom, when I allow somebody the courtesy of appearing by Zoom, I expect them to have the common sense to know that they're in a court. That's what I expect. We're not a bar. If we were going to talk like we're in a strip club, I'd bring the recorder to the strip club and my court officer to the strip club.
Stay home. I don't go.
Watch your mouth. Do not interrupt me.
Sir.
You use the F-bombs on Zoom ever again with me. I don't care if you're at your house. I don't care if you're in Mackinac Island. I don't care if you're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I don't care if you're in Russia. I don't care if you're in Venezuela. You will come over here and you will serve 30 days. Do you fully and completely understand what I am telling you? I didn't ask you if you heard me. I asked you if you fully and completely understand me.
I do not.
Well, then you have a seat right over there, and maybe I'll put you in the lockup. Hang on. You want to be a smart guy with me? I'll put you in the lockup for a few days. You can think about whether or not you understood. Stop it. You do not. You said you do not understand. So I'm going to make you understand, Mr. Bodis. You want to be a tough guy punk with me? You're messing with the wrong guy, okay? I'll just tell you that. I'm not that nice. I'll treat you with respect, but you're not going to treat this system like it's your lapdog. You got what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you fully and completely understand what I have said here today? If you tell me no, it's okay. We'll just put you in lockup for a while. Maybe you'll be able to. Huh? You sure? I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
You ever pull that nonsense with me, Mr. Bodis? You want to be disrespectful with everybody else? That's your business. You start being disrespectful with courts in this building, which is one of the finest in the state, I am going to lock you up. Do we fully and completely understand one another?
I do. We do.
Your appearance, counsel.
John Capitan, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Sorry about that.
All
I
right, Your
just
Honor.
felt like Mr. Bodis and I had to have a little conversation.
No, I totally
Did-
understand, Your Honor.
Did you
This-
listen to and understand the rights that were on the video?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you wish to speak to a lawyer?
I can have it.
I can adjourn this for a week for you to speak to a lawyer.
Please.
I want you to understand this is a complaint to recover possession. It's a termination of tenancy. You're going to have to explain everything to the lawyer. But I want you to understand that I'll adjourn it 1 week. They're going to give you the phone number to contact the lawyer, and I still want you in here personally since you forfeited the right to appear by Zoom in the face of your vulgar language. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You've been drinking today?
No, sir.
If I give you a PBT, you going to pass it?
Absolutely.
Because if you get back in that car and you drink, if you've been drinking, well, then you have been drinking, haven't you?
No, sir.
Well, then why'd you Uber?
Because I don't have a license. I have to Uber everywhere.
Well, that's good. I'll adjourn this 1 week, February what again, the 2nd
9 o'clock, Judge.
at 9 o'clock. You go down the hall, they will give you the phone number. They will give you the phone number to speak with a lawyer. Okay? And then you'll come back in a week.
Thank you, sir.
But I'm not going to put up here with your nonsense. You understand me, Mr. Bodis?
Yeah. I'm downtown and fighting a case.
I don't care about downtown. You're not yelling on here F-bombs. What do you think this is? Get out of here before I lock you up. Go ahead and laugh all you want. I'm telling you, you do it again, you're going to end up in there for 30 days. I promise you.
And there you have it, one of the most intense courtroom exchanges you'll see this year. Let's break down what just happened and what it means. Mr. Ronald Allen Bodis came into a routine eviction hearing and made the catastrophic mistake of cursing at a judge during a Zoom appearance. The result? He was immediately ordered to appear in person, threatened with 30 days in lockup, lost his privilege to appear remotely, and received a verbal dressing down that he won't soon forget. But here's the bigger lesson. This judge wasn't power tripping. He was protecting the integrity of the court system. When you enter a courtroom, virtual or physical, you're entering a space that demands respect, decorum, and basic civility. The judge gave Mr. Bodis multiple opportunities to demonstrate understanding and accountability, even asking if he'd been drinking and needed to speak with a lawyer. That's actually remarkably patient considering the circumstances. The case was adjourned for 1 week to give Mr. Bodis time to consult legal counsel, but he's now required to appear in person. The takeaway? Zoom court is still real court. Your mouth can write checks your freedom can't cash, and judges have the authority to enforce respect, with jail time, if necessary. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the judge handled this correctly, or was he too harsh? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns like this one. We'll see you in the next case.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day, all right?
Sorry about that, counsel. I kept you waiting and everything. My apologies, sincerely.
All right, have a good
All
one.
right, which one are we on now? Hamptons. Where's Hamptons at, John? Tell me you didn't take Hamptons down there yet. Which one did you have again? That was Hamptons, right?